It is a common sight in many gardens, a flash of bright red against a green leaf. There a small, domed beetle moves with purpose. Its tiny legs carry it delicately over the plant's surface. Many of us have seen such a creature. Perhaps as children we let it crawl upon our hand. It often brings a smile to our faces. This is the ladybug, a familiar and welcome visitor. It seems so peaceful, so perfectly content in its world. But this charming insect is much more than just a pretty beetle. It is known by several names: ladybug, ladybird, or lady beetle. In many cultures, it is seen as a symbol of good luck. If one lands on you, it is said to bring good fortune. Its gentle nature and attractive colors make it admired. Yet beneath this delightful exterior lies a powerful ally. It performs vital work, often unnoticed in the world around us, a tiny champion of the natural order. The very name ladybird or ladybug has a fascinating origin. It harks back to a time in Europe long ago. Farmers were facing disaster. Their precious crops were being devoured by swarms of aphids. In their desperation, they prayed to the Virgin Mary, Our Lady, for help. Soon after, vast numbers of these small spotted beetles appeared. They ate the aphids and saved the harvest. And so in gratitude, the farmers named them Our Lady's beetles, a name that has endured through centuries. So let us delve deeper into the world of this remarkable creature. What makes the ladybug so special, so important? Why do we rightly call it one of nature's little heroes? Its life cycle is a marvel of transformation. Its behavior is full of intriguing adaptations, and its role in the ecosystem is far greater than its small size might suggest. We are about to explore the many ways these tiny beetles contribute to the health and balance of our planet. Many of our most cherished plants face constant threats. Tiny enemies, almost invisible to the casual eye, can cause great harm. Chief among these are the aphids. These small, soft-bodied insects gather in large numbers. They pierce the tender stems and leaves of plants. Then they suck out the vital sap, the plant's lifeblood. This relentless feeding weakens the plant significantly. Growth can be stunted, leaves may curl and turn yellow. In severe cases, the entire plant may wither and die. Aphids also reproduce with astonishing speed, but nature in its wisdom often provides a solution. And for the aphid problem, the ladybug is a formidable answer. Ladybugs are voracious predators of these plant-damaging pests. An adult ladybug is a highly efficient hunter. It patrols the leaves and stems, actively seeking out aphid colonies. Once it finds them, it uses its strong mandibles to grasp and consume them. It is estimated that a single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids in a single day. Over its lifetime, this can amount to several thousand aphids. It is not only the adult ladybug that wages war on aphids. In fact, the ladybug larva is an even more ferocious eating machine. The larva looks nothing like the familiar adult beetle. It is elongated, somewhat spiny, and often described as resembling a tiny alligator. From the moment it hatches, its primary purpose is to eat and grow. Aphids are its preferred meal, and it devours them with incredible speed. A single ladybug larva can consume hundreds, even thousands of aphids during its development. This makes the larval stage critically important for pest control. And aphids are not the only small pests on the ladybug's menu. These beneficial beetles also help to control other troublesome creatures. They will readily consume scale insects, mealybugs, and various types of mites. All of these can cause significant damage to garden plants and agricultural crops. By keeping these pest populations in check, ladybugs act as nature's own pest control service. This reduces the reliance on chemical pesticides, which can harm other wildlife and the environment. Ladybugs truly are a gardener's and farmer's best friend. The life journey of a ladybug is a remarkable story of transformation. It is a process known as complete metamorphosis. This journey begins with a tiny egg. Female ladybugs carefully lay their eggs in clusters, often on the underside of leaves. They usually choose locations close to a food source, such as an aphid colony. This ensures that when the young larvae hatch, their first meal is readily available. It is a testament to the instinctual care these creatures show for their offspring, a clever strategy for survival. When the egg hatches, a small larva emerges. As we have seen, this larval stage is dedicated to eating and growing. The larva will molt its skin several times as it increases in size. After a period of intense feeding lasting a few weeks, it is ready for the next stage. It attaches itself to a leaf or stem and transforms into a pupa. Inside this protective casing, a miraculous change occurs. The larval body is completely reorganized, developing into the adult form. This pupal stage is a quiet, resting phase, but inside, nature is hard at work. Once the transformation is complete, the adult ladybug emerges from the pupal case. We are all familiar with its characteristic appearance. Most ladybugs are brightly colored, often red, orange, or yellow, adorned with black spots. These vibrant colors serve as a warning to potential predators such as birds or spiders. This is known as aposematism. The colors signal that the ladybug is unpalatable or even toxic. If disturbed, a ladybug might also play dead or release a yellowish, unpleasant-smelling fluid from its leg joints to deter attackers. There is an astonishing diversity among ladybugs. Scientists have identified over 6,000 different species around the world. While the seven-spotted ladybug is perhaps the most iconic, many others exist. Some species are black with red spots, some are yellow with black spots, and some have no spots at all. Their patterns and colors vary wonderfully. Some ladybugs even hibernate during the colder winter months, often gathering in large groups for warmth and protection. Each species is perfectly adapted to its specific environment and role within it. In our very own gardens, the presence of ladybugs is a clear sign of a healthy environment. These tiny beetles provide an invaluable service. They diligently protect our flowers, fruits, and vegetables from damaging pests. Roses, for instance, are often plagued by aphids, but ladybugs help keep them clean. Bean plants, fruit trees, and countless other garden favorites benefit from their presence. This allows plants to flourish, producing beautiful blooms and bountiful harvests. And they do this important work without the need for harmful chemical sprays, contributing to a safer garden for all. The benefits of ladybugs extend far beyond the home garden. They are crucial allies in agriculture as well. Farmers around the world face enormous challenges from pests that can decimate entire crops. Fields of wheat, corn, soybeans, and cotton can all suffer from aphid infestations. Ladybugs offer a natural and effective method of pest control. Some farmers even purchase and release ladybugs into their fields. This practice, known as biological control, is an environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic pesticides. It helps to produce healthier food and protect the wider ecosystem from chemical contamination. When ladybugs thrive, it is not just the plants that benefit. A healthy plant population forms the base of a healthy ecosystem. These plants provide food and shelter for a multitude of other creatures. Other insects, birds, and small mammals all depend on abundant and healthy plant life. By protecting plants from pests, ladybugs indirectly support this wider community of animals. They are a small but essential link in the complex web of life. Their presence helps to maintain the delicate balance that allows biodiversity to flourish, ensuring many species can coexist. So the next time you are fortunate enough to see a ladybug, take a moment, pause, and appreciate this tiny marvel of nature. Remember its incredible life cycle, from minuscule egg to voracious larva to beautiful adult. Think of the vital work it performs, protecting our plants and supporting our food systems. These little beetles are true heroes, tirelessly working to keep our world green and vibrant. They are nature's tiny guardians, playing a critical role in supporting biodiversity. They deserve our admiration, our respect, and most importantly, our protection for all time.